Getting an access denied message when trying to use your Walmart Peacock benefit is usually caused by an account linking problem, a membership status issue, or signing into the wrong Peacock account, not because the streaming service is permanently unavailable. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to restore your Walmart Peacock access, and when it's time to contact support. The first thing to check is whether your Walmart membership is active. Open the Walmart app or sign into your Walmart account, then go to your Walmart membership page. If your membership has expired, your payment failed, or your trial ended, the Peacock benefit won't activate until your membership is active again. If your membership looks fine, don't create a new Peacock account. Go back to the Walmart benefits page and select the Peacock benefit from there. That starts the correct account linking process. If you already had Peacock before joining Walmart, sign in with that same Peacock account when prompted. Using a different email address often causes the benefit to appear missing. Next, sign out of Peacock completely. Then sign back in. If you're using the Peacock app, close it completely before reopening it. If you're on a browser, sign out. Clear the browser cache for Peacock, then sign in again through the Walmart benefits page. If you're still seeing access denied, verify that you're using the same Walmart account that includes your Walmart membership. Many people accidentally stay signed into a secondary Walmart account on one device and their primary account on another. That mismatch prevents the benefit from verifying correctly. You should also update both the Walmart app and the Peacock app. Older app versions can have account authentication problems that have already been fixed in newer releases. After updating, restart your phone or streaming device before testing again. If you recently activated Walmart, give the benefit a little time to finish syncing between Walmart and Peacock. Signing in repeatedly during that process usually doesn't speed anything up. If none of these steps work, remove any VPN connection, disable browser extensions that block cookies if you're using a computer, and try completing the activation in a different browser or on another device. That helps rule out local browser or device issues. Finally, if your Walmart membership is active and the benefit still won't verify, contact Walmart customer care first, because they can confirm whether your Peacock benefit is properly attached to your membership. If it is attached, Peacock support can then help resolve any account linking issue on their side. To recap, confirm your Walmart membership is active, activate Peacock through the Walmart benefits page using the correct account, and update both apps before contacting support. Try those steps in order, and you'll solve the majority of access problems. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides.